everyone, my name is Nandra, my partner name is Yashwant. This project name is DIY, Rainfall Measurement. Working principle. Raindrops land on the sensor plate. Water conducts electricity between the metal traces. The module changes its inputs. Water conducts electricity between the metal traces. The Arduino reads the single antenna, turn LED buzzer or send a notification.
Components: small buzzer, jumper wires, display, Arduino Uno, red light, red LED, green LED, rainfall, plate, breadboard.
Thank you.
Output.